Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch accounts in Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Heyday application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you get the Heyday app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install the app. Now, after installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page, where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step processes to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage, where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to switch accounts in Heyday. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that and it takes you to this extended options where you have edit mode and settings. Now click on settings and it opens you up to this window where you have music, sound, language, credit, change from name, advanced settings, privacy policy, terms of service, help, and support. Now, for you to switch accounts, you have to log into your Supercell ID account. So it means if you've not connected Supercell ID, just at the top corner where you have connected, you're going to see login. Click on that and follow through with the prompt to log in. Now, after logging in and you're connected, go ahead and click on that connected button and it takes you right into Supercell ID. Now, over here at the top left corner of your screen, you have the settings wheel. Click on the settings wheel and it takes you over here. Now you have show online status, receive new friend request, you have your name, you have change email, and you have the switch account options. Click on switch account and that takes you over here. Now this is the first account, which is the Emmy Fam, and that's like Emmy Hub Farming. Now log into Supercell ID, click on log into Supercell ID, and once you click on log in, now log in to load an existing game if you want to. Now click on continue. After clicking on continue, just follow through the prompts, enter the email for the new account, click on login, verify your email, and that's it. Confirm, and you will see the new account added to Supercell ID. So you can switch the account to anything that you want, to any account that you want, and you're back in to enjoy your Heyday game. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.